Let's talk about how to project your income. Before you set up a team, you need to estimate your cash flow. Without having any idea of how much money your business can generate, it's almost impossible to accurately plan your business ahead and prepare for the tough times that may befall your outfit. Fortunately, predicting how much you can earn is not difficult. You can estimate how much your first year revenue is by calculating how much money you can potentially earn. If your company isn't generating as much as what you've estimated, take it as a sign for you to tweak your plans. When you're at the helm of your business, it's very important to remember that a healthy business has a healthy stream of income. Predicting how much we'll earn in the future is not easy, but there is a way by projecting your income. So, how do we do it? First, list down your current average earnings of 3 months and multiply them by 12 months. The amount you get will be your estimated annual sales. Secondly, subtract the total cost of production of the year to get the gross profit of your company. Third, to get the company's net profit before taxes, subtract the company's operating costs from the gross profit. The costs that will be incurred include employees' salary, payroll, overhead cost, rental, etc. And after that, you'll need to further subtract the income tax from this. Taxes vary from country to country and from state to state, so I suggest that you should find the percentage of income taxes in your country to know your business net profit.